Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to remove an EBT card from DoorDash, okay, on both mobile and desktop. So first you open up your DoorDash app, and then you come here, okay, tap on the icon located at the top right corner, tap on payment methods, and now here under saved payment methods, okay, click here. So here under the saved payment methods, you will see, all your different payment methods. All you need to do is slide the payment method you would like to remove to the left, okay, until it is removed. So in this case, you would slide your EBT card to the left until you remove that, okay? And if you want to do this on desktop, similar process. All you do is come here and then click on these three horizontal lines. You'll see your payment methods. If you want to remove, just go ahead and click on that trash can icon next to the payment method you want to remove. Okay, and it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to Find Your Solution, and I'll see you in the next one.